Sessions for Success with Classworks. Getting started with Classworks for special education. Now that Classworks is being utilized in your school, our team of educators are here to set you on the path to success with professional learning aligned to your specific goals. Your session, Getting Started with Classworks for Special Education, is coming up. This session provides you with an overview of how Classworks supports special education students and teachers. You'll learn how to use Classworks to meet your specific objectives. After completing this training, you'll be able to easily administer the Universal Screener. View present level of performance and readiness data for each student. Create a class to easily view progress of your students. Run the student summary report. And plan what Classworks will look like in your classroom. After your training, let's continue your Classworks success. Find support on our Help Center. Chat with the Success team at hello@classworks.com or on our website at classworks.com. See you soon!